Hello everyone, welcome to Pynade Dev's YouTube channel. Today we are starting our Java programming journey by writing our first Java program using the IntelliJ IDEA. It's one of the most popular IDEs in the Java development ecosystem. If you're completely new to Java, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. We'll be going through every step together, and by the end of the video you'll be created your first Java program. Make sure that you subscribe and share and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our next episodes. Let's dive in and see what we have for us. We need to install the IDE from the JetBrains official website, and this is the website. The link is on the bio, and make sure that you have the JDK, but the JDK will come with the IDE, which is the IntelliJ by default. But if it doesn't in some way, you just check on the official Oracle website. Just Google the official JDK website, and then you'll install the latest version. In this case, I'm using JDK 24, but you can install the long-term version, which is the JDK 21. That's for in different environments. We have the Linux, Mac OS, and the Windows, depending on the OS that you're using at this moment. After installing your IntelliJ, the IDE, then we need to create the first project. The first thing that you're going to do is you click on the three dots at the top, and then we create the first, and then the first project. The first project, we give it the name. Let's say Java first program, or Java first project, Java project, Java project lesson, or something like that. Depending on the name, make sure that you have attached the folder that you're going to use to check the projects, and then you can initiate the Git repository, which is not necessary. In this case, we are going to use the build system IntelliJ, but you can, if you're using Gradle or the Maven, you can go ahead and do that. But I recommend that if you're using IntelliJ, let's just go with IntelliJ and select the version that you have installed for the JDK. Make sure that it's the version that you're using in your system, and then also, if not, then you can go ahead and install. In some case, maybe it's not installed, so then we can just go create, and this is going to be our first project for Java. And we'll cover just the basics of the normal project of Java. And you see, in this case, we have we have a boilerplate for the Java project. You can just go ahead and delete this basic code. Then we'll just now on this left side of your screen, you'll see that there's the JavaScript folder, the Java project folder, and then we have the tools on the top. These are the navigation tools, and then we'll see on this other side of the right side of the screen, we have the code editor for editing the code, and that's basically the first project that we are going to write in this case. So the reason why IntelliJ is so popular in the Java ecosystem is because we can have a lot of features. So first, we have the auto completion, the code completion. We have the syntax highlighting. We have the extensive plugins that you can be able to customize and use it on your environment in any way you like it. So let's go first and create our first project and see how it works around. Java is built under the concept of classes. In this case, we have the name of the class, which is main. Main is the name of the class, and underneath we have the main method. The main method is the entry point of every Java program, and in this case we are going to print out hello world. So in Java, we print out the hello world using the system.print. So in this case, we are using the system.out and then .print. So in print, we have a lot of print functions, inbuilt functions. In this case, we are going to use a print line, and our line is of course hello world, which is the the output of every first project, I suppose. And then we are done with the project, the first print. And the way to run it is we just click, like we have been told here, you just click the F10 and then or shift F10, or we just click on the run on the side of the screen. Let's just press shift F10 to print out the words in the console. And here we have the console. Now these are our basic printout, our first project to print out the hello world. And the next lesson we are going to do is we are going to check on the variables, the data types, the scopes as we move ahead. So make sure that you subscribe and wait for the next tutorial. Check in. Goodbye.